Welcome to Lang Academy. Join in with some shadowing practice. Follow my voice, repeat every phrase, and feel your English grow. Let's start. Can I help you? Can I help you? I am just looking, thank you. I am just looking, thank you. Where is the clothing section? Where is the clothing section? I am looking for a black jacket. I am looking for a black jacket. Do you have this in white? Do you have this in white? Excuse me, where are the shoes? Excuse me, where are the shoes? I need a bigger size. I need a bigger size. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I love this color. I love this color. What size do you need? What size do you need? I wear size medium. I wear size medium. Where are the changing rooms? Where are the changing rooms? The changing rooms are over there. The changing rooms are over there. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? It is too big. It is too big. It is too small. It is too small. This shirt fits perfectly. This shirt fits perfectly. It is too tight. It is too tight. It looks good on you. It looks good on you. How much is this? How much is this? How much are these shoes? How much are these shoes? It is very cheap. It is very cheap. It is too expensive. It is too expensive. Is there a discount on this? Is there a discount on this? This jacket is on sale. This jacket is on sale. What is the price of this bag? What is the price of this bag? It is a good price. It is a good price. I don't like the material. I don't like the material. This sweater is very soft. This sweater is very soft. Where is the cash desk? Where is the cash desk? Next, please. Next, please. Are you in the queue? Are you in the queue? I will take this, please. I will take this, please. How would you like to pay? How would you like to pay? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I want to pay in cash. I want to pay in cash. I want to pay by card. I want to pay by card. Insert your card, please. Insert your card, please. Enter your PIN, please. Enter your PIN, please. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? A paper bag, please. A paper bag, please. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Keep the receipt, please. Keep the receipt, please. Can I return this item? Can I return this item? I want to return this shirt. I want to return this shirt. Do you have the receipt? Do you have the receipt? I want a refund, please. I want a refund, please. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for learning with Lang Academy. I really appreciate you being here. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. See you next time.